Friends.
Friends?
Best friends.
But you know you
For
strong
vices.
to do stupid things.
To be like silly.
To look strong.
And for honor when your face gets oily. I have no idea first. Because true friends can never be counted. Recent times, friends and best friends. Friends will invite you just for the heck of it.
But best friend is just like this.
Hello?
Hello, Miss Aki. Do you want to come with us?
No, I don't want.
Oh, okay. It's up to you to be alone.
Okay, wait, I'll come.
Okay, see ya.
See ya!
Because we're best friends.
Friends will agree to everything you say.
For us, it is better to say, oh, you are so too full around or being picky with.
Story after story, then laugh, treating each other just friends.
Best friends, we heartedly laugh first before each story. No urgency when giving a treat. And we're deeper than a common communal bonds.
We can be true friends, the kind where slaughter's none. Together, everywhere, in joy and in pain, we push through. But just like Dora, in an everyday adventure, did woods get lost?
No,
Notice the sea, the map, and the loaded backpack we call what we are in. And some of us are just like Dora.
just like,
Hi, Bess! Hello, Bess!
hey bro, what's up bro? Can I ask a favor? Can you please accompany me in the class building? An irritated favor I do not want.
What, are you coming?
Definitely no.
Well, if it were me, I would come.
And most of you right now will be able to relate. Some are already thinking of their friends, trying to relate to this. Yes,
We're best friends.
Someone who can understand
And knows what my heart holds.
help me achieve everything I
And
need
believes without a doubt.
and do positive things.
And someone there to guide.
Yes, we're true friends.
Yes, we're best friends. With a lot of times, joyful experiences are unplanned.
Misunderstandings will come.
With at times lending a hand.
Sometimes just let you be.
And every time we are together, we make dreams.
Words of history.
A memory full of joy.
And times of sorrow.
Full of smiles.
And times of promise.
Wait, are you opposing?
Not actually, yes, but because there is a positive and negative to balance. Balance that best friends won't be unfair that goes to misunderstanding.
But we're best friends.
Friends that never be a case. I'm Ryan Branda,
I'm Misaki Tomita.
a friend
He's
of
mine.
mine.